Hi guys, a crooked wonky horizon in your video footage doesn't really look good, so here's how you can quickly fix it using Davinci Resolve. So this trick works in all recent versions of Davinci Resolve, not just the latest version. So what we need to do is we need to select the video clip on the timeline, and then in the properties attributes for that particular clip, we need to change the rotation of the clip by a few degrees until the horizon starts to look level. So if you find that the horizon is twisting down to the right, then you want to rotate it in the opposite direction, so anti-clockwise. So you're going to need to use negative values. And if it's twisted down to the left, then you're going to rotate it using positive values instead. Now you're probably going to find it best to directly enter the values using the keyboard in single digits rather than using the slider, as the horizon will only be off by a few degrees, and if you use the slider it's going to jump all over the place. But that's pretty much it. So that's exactly how you can correct a wonky horizon in Davinci Resolve. Now, the process is probably similar with other editors like Adobe Premiere, for example. So if you find this tip useful, then please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to show your support for the channel. Now for now, take care and see you soon.